So I get asked a lot by customers how to take the supplements when they arrive. So I'm just going to do a very, very quick video outlining how to do it. Now the products we're going to cover are the Balanced Oil, the Extend Multivitamin and the Xenobiotic Prebiotic. Now you might be on one of these products like the Balanced Oil or the Xenobiotic or the Extend, or you might be on all three. We call that the health protocol. Now, when Zinzino send you the supplements, they're going to send you 2 months worth, okay? So this is for 1 month. So if you had 2 months, you'll have double of everything present here. So we'll start with the Balanced Oil. Now you'll notice that there are you'll get 2 sizes of oil bottle. You get a 300ml and a 100ml. The dose of Balanced Oil that you take daily is weight dependent. So obviously a heavier man is going to require more, a lighter female is going to require less. So they put a smaller bottle in just in case you run out if you're a heavier man. But also, these are quite handy when you travel. But for the intents of this video and when you're taking the supplements, just ignore this 100ml bottle. So I'll put this out of the way for now. So with the Balanced Oil, you're going to take a certain amount per day depending on your body weight, and you need to know your body weight in kilos. So for example, I'm 80 kilos, which is just about 12 and a half stone, but 80 kilos roughly. And what the dose you're going to take is you divide the weight in kilos by 10 and times by 1.5. So I'm 80 kilos, I'm going to take 12 mils of oil. Now, they usually include a little measuring cup like this when you get your supplements, but sometimes I've seen that they don't. So I've also put a tablespoon and a teaspoon. A tablespoon is 15 mils and a teaspoon is just over 5 mils. So you can work it out using a tablespoon and teaspoon. But for me, I'm 80 kilos, so I'm going to take 12 mils, and you can see it's marked there, 12.5. So I'm going to take so much, and I can just either drink that, or what I tend to do usually is mix it with a little bit of milk, ideally almond milk. It just tastes a little bit better, and you're going to take that once a day. Okay, so that's the Balanced Oil. The Extend, again, 1 box will last you 1 month, so you'll have 60 capsules or 60 tablets in a box, and you're going to take 2 of these a day. You can take them both in the morning, you can take them in the evening, or you can take 1 in the morning, one in the evening. It doesn't matter as long as you take 2 a day. If you take more, you can actually take up to 4, but you will run out of product. Lastly, we've got the Xenobiotic. So with the Xenobiotic, this is a new one. It will come with a little scoop inside. So with the Xenobiotic, you're going to take 1 scoop and put that in a glass, mix it with some water. You don't need a full glass of water, although the consistency can be quite thick. And you're going to drink that, and ideally you're going to take 1 of those, ideally 2, maybe 3 times a day. On the box of Xenobiotic, it says 1 to 4 servings a day. Most people require 2, maybe 3 at most. Don't put more than 1 scoop in the glass at any one time because it will become too thick. You can also mix it with a fruit juice, you could mix it with a smoothie, whatever you want. So as long as you take that 2 to 3 times a day, that's fine. So just to recap, ignore the little bottle, keep it for when you go traveling or if you're going to run out, if you're heavy. Your body weight, divide it by 10, times it by 1.5, weight in kilos that is. So 50 kilos, you want to take 7.5 mils a day. If you're 80 kilos, you'll take 12 mils. And if you're 100 kilos, you'll take 15 mils a day. Just do that once a day. Take 2 Extends a day and 1 scoop of Xenobiotic in a glass of water. Mix it together. Take that ideally 2, maybe 3 times a day. If you're taking 2 scoops a day, then 1 tub will last you 1 month. So if you're taking 3 to 4, you might run out a little bit quicker. So most people taking 2 scoops a day. Hope that helps.